In those times when you're feeling stressed, allow yourself to come into your breath, and we're going to use your hands and a little bit of imagination as well. So we're inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose or the mouth, wherever it's comfortable for you. And we'll use your hands as well. So on your inhales, allow your hands to move out as if you're holding a box. As you exhale, bring your palms towards each other as your box becomes smaller. Inhaling, the box is growing bigger. And exhaling, your box is growing smaller. And if you'd like to add some visualization here, imagine that this box is filled with light. Up to you what color that light might be. Allow yourself to expand this light and inside the box as you inhale. On your exhales, make this light smaller along with the box. You can gaze at the box very gently. And as you exhale, bring the box in, make it smaller. Let's take one more breath. Inhale. And exhale. Make your box smaller. Place it back into your palms. And then just lower it down in front of you. Take one more breath in. Exhale, sigh it out.